Raining again. I think we're at a total of 5 inches so far. And it's coming down, but tomorrow's supposed to be mostly sunny, so which is pretty good because my lawn is starting to get pretty shaggy. It needs mowed in a bad way. I think the cows are ready for a change in the weather as well. What do you say, Becky? You ready for it to dry out some? Babies are doing good. Even the ducks are hanging out with the cows. It's a soggy one for sure. I need to mow, weed eat. Not today. Oh, she's starting to bag up. That means Becky's getting ready to have her baby here pretty soon. Huh, Becky? I can tell you that the ones who really, really like this wet weather are the ducks. Man, they just absolutely love it. They think it's the best thing in the world. So, and I gotta be honest, I don't hate it. At least it's not 100 degrees outside and dry. But I know the cows are probably ready for some drier weather for sure. Spicy looks annoyed, to say the least. Like I said, the ducks are enjoying themselves. They think it's just great. Oh, little baby's going over there to say hi. And the visitor cow, she's not sure either. Everyone's doing good though. Soggy, but good. Another animal that doesn't mind this kind of weather are the turtles and the frogs. Frogs are just going crazy all the time. It's kind of cool. I like the frogs. There's one behind me too. I don't know if you can hear it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Be blessed and be a blessing. See you on the next one, everybody.